for another 100 Mondays.
Coming up by show 50, we will have a contest, so keep listening out for that. It's going to be fun too. I actually want to just say the name. So the name of the contest is Winner Winner Chicken Dinner, and it's all that you can imagine that would mean. And it's a contest to create a logo for our show. Our logo that we have now for 100 Mondays was always meant to be temporary, and I love it. But in the spirit of keeping things moving, we really are excited to announce our upcoming contest. So to get more details about how you too can win a pretty medium tier chicken dinner, okay? And the honor of gracing our website and our show with our new logo. That's the fun part right there. You know, I'm excited. Keep listening. Love you. 100 Mondays.
It's time for another 100 Mondays.